This is Worksheet Border Studio. I want to show you just how quick and easy it is to use. So once you load the software, you'll have a screen like this where you have a tab for your worksheets and a tab for your borders. All we have to do is import a worksheet or indeed a book or any sort of PDF or story, whatever it is you want to do. For example, I'm going to import a Sudoku book, and then we'll just wait for that to load. You can see down here it's measuring all of the pages. Let's wait for this process to complete, and it's loaded into here. And you can see here I've got some other borders I generated previously. We can just generate a new border. Say we want cute cats, and we want a delicate watercolour, and keep it to match our orientation of our page. And this generates using your ChatGPT account. So if we hit generate, now if you've used ChatGPT image, you know it's not the fastest. So I'm going to skip through to the generation now. And as you can see, now that border has generated. You can flick through all of the pages here, like so. You can control the different worksheet size on the page to make it smaller. And if you want to have a border on the outside, you can add your margin here, which then brings it all inwards, so you can have a border and still your puzzles on the same page. And then once you're happy, you can apply it to all pages if you want, and then you can just export. And all of your borders that you've previously generated are saved as well. You go along here, see a variety of different ones here, like so. So you can always access them. They're in the borders up the top here, and also your worksheets are saved as well. So I hope this quick video shows you just how easy the Worksheet Border Studio is to use. If you're interested, grab it in the link below.